And this is of a triangle that's oblique, okay, no right angle, but we do have the three side lengths. And so the formula uses those three sides. You have to have those three sides. There's two steps. The first step is to find the variable s. S is found taking all three sides. So in this case, the sides are a, b, and c. Take all three sides, add them up, and divide it by 2. That'll give you the variable s. Once you have s, then you can put everything into the area formula, which uses s, and it uses your a, b, and c, which is your sides. Okay, we good on that? Okay, we're just going to jump in because I think the easiest way is to just jump in and do it. Okay, so we're going to solve for s first. Now, I don't necessarily care if you show me the work for s. I know that it's going to be mostly calculator work, so you don't necessarily need to show me the setup, but for right now, just for the notes, I'm going to go ahead and do the setup of that. So we would add all sides, 11, 9.7, and 4.6, and we're going to divide it by 2. You should get 12.654x. Okay, again, you will not have to necessarily show me that work. You can if you want to, but I know that that's mostly just calculator. The one thing I am going to ask that you show me is the area setup. Okay, you don't have to show me simplified, anything like that, but I do need to see what you plug in. And the reason I need to see that is because if you make an error, I need to know why or how. First, to help you, but second, if I'm grading an assessment, I need to be able to give you partial credit. Okay? So in this case, we just follow this area formula here. So we do S, which is 12.65, times S minus A. Okay, in this case, I'm just going to make 11A. It doesn't matter what side length is A, B, and C, just as long as you use all of them. And then times 12.65 minus B, which in this case is 9.7, and then minus C, which is 4.6. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and, okay. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my calculator and do at least one with you all so that you can kind of see what it looks like. Okay, and put the radical in this. Put the square root in this. Okay, so second square root, and then 12.65, and then put exactly how you wrote it, put it in your calculator. Okay, now when you get done entering it, before you press enter, check what you put in. Okay, so if I go through, I want to make sure every number is correct. Does anybody see my error? Do they see it? 9.7. I did it on purpose to see if anybody would catch me. 9.7. So you can go in, and even if you have to insert something, does anybody know how to insert a number? Okay, if you need to. So say I forgot to put the 0.7 in there. I can press second, and then this DEL, which means I'm going to insert, because it's second insert, and you can actually insert another number. You don't have to retype everything. Okay, it's really nice. So make sure everything's good. Yep, that looks fine. You should get 22.26. Anybody confirm 22.26?
Yes.
Good. If not, make sure two things. Make sure your S value is correct. Make sure you plug it all in correct. And then check your calculated work for the third thing there. And then do we have, yes, inches. Now, we're talking about area. So when I put my unit, what do I have to do?
Square.
Yeah, inches squared. Okay, I want you to see if you can just get this set up. Try to do at least S for example 2. Okay, do S for example 2. All right, you should get 6.554x. 6.55. You agree with that? Okay. Then you put that into your area formula. You should end up with 7.96 square miles. Okay, once you're done with that, flip it over. There's 4 questions on the back. The answers are up here so that you can check yourself. Of course, you don't have to necessarily give me S all the time, but I put that up there just in case you made an error, and maybe S was the reason that you made that error. So you can go ahead and check those problems. That's all we're doing today once you have those done. Okay?